If you're considering using Pivotal Tracker for your project management, there are a few things you need to know before making a purchase. In this video, we'll dive into 12 key features of Pivotal Tracker that will help you decide if it's the right tool for your productivity needs, especially when compared to some of its competitors. The first thing you should know is that Pivotal Tracker is built specifically for Agile project management. Unlike more general purpose tools like Trello, which can be customized for any workflow, Pivotal Tracker is laser focused on Agile teams and sprints. If you're looking for a tool that's designed for managing software development projects, Pivotal Tracker is a strong contender. Next thing is the collaboration aspect. While tools like Asana and Monday.com offer wide-ranging collaboration features, Pivotal Tracker keeps it simple with its ability to prioritize tasks, assign story points, and track progress in real time. However, it's worth mentioning that it might feel a bit limiting for larger teams or those who need more in-depth features for non-tech projects. The third thing is the ease of use. Pivotal Tracker's user interface is streamlined, but it may feel basic compared to tools like ClickUp, which offer more customization options. However, this simplicity can be an advantage if you're focused on speed and efficiency, especially for smaller teams. Next, Pivotal Tracker has excellent integration capabilities. It connects seamlessly with popular tools like GitHub, Slack, and Zendesk, making it easy to link your development and customer service workflows. This makes it more robust than simpler tools like Trello or Asana, which don't offer quite the same level of integration. The fifth thing is the pricing. Pivotal Tracker is relatively affordable, especially if you're managing a small to medium-sized team. However, when you scale up, you might find yourself needing a more comprehensive tool like Jira, which offers more flexibility for large enterprises and has a wider range of pricing plans. Next up is the speed of the platform. Pivotal Tracker is known for being fast and lightweight, allowing teams to get up and running quickly. In comparison, heavier tools like Jira or Monday.com might feel more sluggish, especially during the initial setup. The seventh thing is reporting. While Pivotal Tracker provides basic reporting tools, it doesn't have the same depth of analytics as competitors like Jira or Wrike. If you need detailed reports on project progress and team performance, you might find Pivotal Tracker lacking in this area. The eighth thing is its focus on Agile methodologies. If your team follows Scrum or Kanban, Pivotal Tracker does a great job of supporting those workflows with its story point tracking, burn down charts, and velocity tracking. This makes it a top choice for Agile teams, but may not be the best for teams who don't follow Agile methodologies. The ninth thing is customization. Unlike ClickUp or Monday.com, which let you create custom views, workflows, and dashboards, Pivotal Tracker doesn't offer as much flexibility in this area. While its simplicity can be a pro, some teams may feel restricted by the limited customization options. Next, Pivotal Tracker's mobile app is simple and effective. While the mobile version isn't as robust as some competitors like Jira, it gets the job done and allows you to manage tasks on the go. If you need a more powerful mobile experience, tools like Monday.com might be a better fit. The 11th thing to consider is security. Pivotal Tracker offers enterprise-grade security features, including encryption and single sign-on, making it a reliable choice for teams concerned with data protection. However, it might not offer the same depth of security features as Jira for large organizations with complex security needs. Finally, Pivotal Tracker's support system is decent, but not exceptional. While it has a comprehensive knowledge base and community forums, its support team can sometimes be slower to respond compared to more customer-focused platforms like Asana or Monday.com, which are known for their responsive support. So, is Pivotal Tracker the right tool for you? It's a solid option for teams using Agile methodologies, especially those looking for a straightforward, fast, and affordable project management solution. However, if you need more customization, reporting, or advanced features, there are other tools that might serve your needs better. If you want a more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended tool that you can try for free.